Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me thank to Allah that give me everything. So this time I will help this presentation in this video. Second, to the honorable person, my lecturer, Mr. Agung Nugroho, who teach English in radiology lessons. In this video, I'm going to do presentation with theme of X-ray film. Before I start this presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabilah Noor Utami from class 1B. I majored in Diplomatry, Radiology, Poltekkes Kemenkes Semarang. Now I start this presentation. X-ray film. X-ray film is photographic film consisting of photographically active or radiation sensitive. It can help us to record the information regarding the object or tissue through which the X-rays passes and hence. X-ray film have several sizes, such as 35 multiplication 43 centimeters, 35 multiplication 35 centimeters, 18 multiplication 43 centimeters, 30 multiplication 40 centimeters, 18 multiplication 24 centimeters, etc. The next one is composition image of X-ray film. The composition of X-ray film is film base, adhesive layer, emulsion layer, and supercoat. The first composition is film base. Film base have thickness 150 to 250 micrometers. Film base have to function to support for emulsion layer and to transmit light so that an image can be viewed. Film base have ingredients from polyester. Polyester made from polyethylene terephthalate resin. Film base have characteristic flexible, strong, stable, and inflammable. Actually, film base have no color or clear, but to easily reading image and comfortable to view image, it gives a blue dye or blue color. The second composition is substratum or adhesive layer. Substratum or adhesive layer have thickness 0,01 micrometers. It has function to keep emulsion layer and film base adhere each other and prevent arising air bubbles when the film is inserted into the film processing liquid. Adhesive layer or substratum layer made of cellulose ester, gelatin, and acetone. The third composition is emulsion layer. Emulsion layer have thickness 5 to 10 micrometers. It has function to record image. Emulsion layer sensitive with photon rays and radiation, and it consists from silver halide. Silver halide have three kinds, such as silver bromide, silver iodine, and silver chloride. But it's dominate with silver bromide. Silver halide mixed with gelatin. The last composition is supercoat. Supercoat have thickness 2 to 5 micrometers. It has function to protect emulsion layer from being stretched and not stick. Supercoat layer made of by harder gelatin. Supercoat layer have characteristic antistatic. The next one is basic principle of X-ray film. First, X-ray emits to object with a large penetrating so that penetrate to object. So the image can be captured by the film with different level blackness. X-ray film have four characteristics. The first characteristic is contrast. Contrast is the ability of film to provide response to different exposure that will result different blackness. It affects by the size and sensitivity of crystal silver halide. The second characteristic is speed. Speed is the ability of the film to receive rays to obtain shadows by specific density levels. Speed film affected by size crystal silver halide, thick emulsion layer, and sensitivity crystal silver halide with spectrum colors. The third characteristic is grayness. Grayness as distribute crystal silver halide in the film. If the size of crystals is large, it will result a low resolution. And the last characteristic is latitude. Here, this is presentation from me. I hope the lesson in the presentation can insight you all about X-ray film. And I thankful to you all who watch this presentation. Before I ended this video, I hope you guys can take your time happily. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.